This person had made over $60,000. This person here has made $100,000. This person over here has made nearly $90,000. The people I have just shown you are making a ton of money. And thanks to a website I will share with you later on in this video, you will be able to do the same. The difference being that you will not have to invest any work whatsoever into this. You don't need to be a professional writer, as anybody can do this, and where you're from doesn't matter one bit. If you want to start making money online, be sure to keep watching. Now, even though this is a great way to get paid online and it will work, this will not make you rich and is not a viable long-term income strategy. So if you're looking for a way to make money online in the long run and not just the short term, then be sure to check out the very first link down below. And with all of that said, let's finally get into this video. The very first website you will need to go over, guys, is none other than Amazon.com. Or more specifically, you will want to go over to Amazon Kindle. So either type in Amazon Kindle on Google and open it up, or you can just type in the URL amazon.com/Kindle-ebooks. Either way, that will now take you over to the Amazon Kindle store. And it's Amazon that will be paying us today, actually. I will show you how you can make money with Amazon but with zero skills and work involved. Amazon, as basically all of you know, is one of the biggest companies in the world today. The website itself is being visited by 2.5 billion people, and the majority of those people come from top-tier countries like the United States. It's thanks to the fact that Amazon is so incredibly popular and that the users are mostly from top-tier countries that you can make a lot of money selling on here, as you will soon see. With that said, for those of you who don't know, Amazon Kindle is a section on Amazon.com where everyday people are selling various ebooks, and the process itself is incredibly simple and straightforward. You upload an ebook on here, Amazon drives traffic to the ebook with you doing nothing, and when someone makes a purchase, you get paid. Selling ebooks on Amazon, believe it or not, can turn out to be incredibly profitable. Just take a look at some of these ebooks I found that are all related to fitness. And by the way, these are the people I have shown you in that intro as well. This person here is selling the ebook for $12 and has had just over 5,000 ratings. If you do the math, that's around $60,000 made in pure passive income. This ebook here I found as well is selling for a bit cheaper at $9.50. But has had just over 10,000 ratings. We are talking about $95,000 made in passive income. And lastly, this ebook is selling for just a bit more than the previous two at $14. And it's had just over 6,500 ratings. So that's around $90,000 made or so. Point being here that you can make a lot of money selling ebooks. Keep in mind that these are just 3 out of thousands and thousands of examples you yourselves can check out. People are making tons of money selling ebooks, but even more important is the fact that you don't have to do any work once you actually publish your ebook on here. Amazon will drive traffic to the ebook. When someone makes a purchase, you will get paid. You will basically do nothing and make money once you publish the ebook in question. And this is what makes Amazon so awesome to make money online. Thanks to the fact that it's popular beyond comprehension, the people I have shown you have made in total like $250,000 or so, which is just mind-blowing. And even more so when you think about the fact that they had done literally zero work since publishing the actual book. The only real problem that most of you will be able to see as well, though, is that you need an ebook in order to be able to make money on Amazon. And obviously, most of you watching this are not writers. This is why we need a second platform, and I will show you that second platform later on in the video. Before we get to it though, you first need to sign up to Amazon Kindle so you can actually publish something. To do so, you want to head over to this URL, kdp.amazon.com. And by the way, on this same page, you can see that it takes just 5 minutes to publish your ebook. And it will be on sale on Amazon Kindle within 24 to 48 hours. This is hugely important info because it means that you can start making money with Amazon Kindle right away. With that out of the way, let's get back to what you want to do on this page. You want to come back up to here and then click on the sign up button right here. On the following page, you'll see that they will ask you to sign in. Obviously, as you don't have an account, you want to click on Create Your KDP account below here. And from there, you'll just enter in a bunch of your data as expected, of course. Your name, email address, and password, which you will need to retype as confirmation too. When done, just click on Create Your KDP account right here. And now that you have your account, you can actually publish ebooks. And as you've seen previously, that indeed does not take too long. So let's now get to the second platform I mentioned a minute or so ago, one where you can obtain the ebooks that you can then resell. The site in question is called buyqualityplr.com. On this platform, you can find various digital products that you have a license to use and even make money off of. You've got articles, videos, and of course, most importantly for us, ebooks. What you can do is you can come on here and purchase an ebook for like $10 to $20, then publish it on Amazon. And as you've seen previously, some people have made thousands upon thousands of dollars selling their ebooks, mainly thanks to Amazon's sheer popularity and legitimacy as a website and company too. And yes, I know what you will be thinking. You will be disappointed this isn't a free strategy, but hear me out. There are platforms out there where you can indeed obtain ebooks for free. The reason I'm showing you this website in particular is because the ebooks on other websites are overused. You cannot resell them anymore, but that is simply not the case with ebooks on this particular site. Furthermore, this site does actually contain free ebooks. And so what I would recommend you guys do is come over to this platform, hover your mouse over this arrow next to Free PLR right here, and then select on Free PLR ebooks. This will now show you a bunch of ebooks that you can use free of charge. And you will now want to publish them on Amazon Kindle. And once you make just enough money to buy an ebook on this website, that is what you will want to do. In this fashion, you will not have to invest any of your money up front, and you will actually be able to see that this does work, and you won't just invest money in vain. Once you make some sales with those paid ebooks that you purchased, you can then reinvest the money into this website, buy a few more ebooks, and list them for sale as well. And in this way, you can make a lot of money, even if your ebooks individually don't get a lot of sales. If you have like 10 of them put up for sale at the same time, you'll be able to make a lot of money. And more importantly, as I mentioned before, doing literally nothing at all. It's that easy. If you want to make more money online through the use of some of my other strategies, be sure to click on one of the 2 videos that should pop up on the screen anytime now. If you like this video and you want to see more, then leave a like down below. It costs you nothing and it's extremely helpful to me, and it shows me that you like my videos and that I should keep putting in the effort to create them. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do yourselves a favor and click on that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon in some of the upcoming tutorials.